Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today I want to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex. Today Samsung put out an official introduction video for the Galaxy Flex that got me really excited for it. Not only does it look great with its super slim design and full aluminum metal body, but it has so many great features. And one of those features reminds me of the Galaxy Note 10 series. Yes, this Galaxy Flex has a built-in SPen, and this SPen has pretty much all of the same features like the ones that we see on the Note 10, including air gestures. But for this, they are calling it SPen Air Action. Control your laptop at a distance with the flick of a wrist. Now this feature is great if you need to go from screen to screen without actually running the SPen or your finger over the laptop. Or like they show here, if you're watching a movie or a show, you can also use it to raise or lower the volume or even play or pause your movie. I think it's a really cool feature. Another cool thing about the Galaxy Flex is the display. It is a QLED display, meaning picture quality is going to be amazing. I personally have a Samsung QLED TV and it does not disappoint. So I can only imagine how great it's going to look on this laptop. And QLED displays can get super bright as well, meaning you should have no problem with outdoor usage. Which brings me to the next feature, outdoor mode, where it will enhance the brightness of the display so you won't have any problem seeing it in direct sunlight. So definitely great for outdoors. Now with Samsung's recent flagship devices, the Galaxy S10 and Note 10, they brought the feature of wireless power share, where you can basically charge other devices wirelessly with your phone. While they brought it over to the Galaxy Flex, you can easily wirelessly charge your device if it supports wireless charging, simply by placing your smartphone on the touchpad. So if you're working on your laptop, doing work, doing what you got to do, and you notice your phone is running low on battery, all you got to do is just place it on the touchpad without having to worry about getting any charging cables out or portable power banks. You just set it on the touchpad and boom, it starts charging. You're ready to go. So this is definitely a feature that is going to come in handy. But in order to be able to use all of these features and do what you got to do, you need a battery that will last. While there's actually two models of this laptop. We have a 13-inch model and a 15-inch model. They say that the 13-inch model will get up to 20 hours of battery life, which I personally think is pretty good. But then again, it has been a while since I've had a laptop. And then the 15-inch model will get up to 19 hours of battery life. So only a 1 hour difference in the two. Now, as far as processor goes, it has the 10th generation Intel Core processor, so you can experience better graphics. It also looks like it will be able to handle video editing very well, which I am most looking forward to because all of my video editing right now is done on my smartphone, so it will be nice to finally have a laptop to do all of this. Other great features include Quick Search, Samsung Dex to easily connect your phone to your laptop, Pen Up for PC, Voice Note with Pen to create audio recordings and bookmark memos with Pen, and then having the ability to fold the keyboard all the way back to use as a tablet. So it's definitely a beautiful looking device with a lot of great features, including all of the things you'll be able to do with the built-in S Pen. Now for pricing, the smaller model will be around $1,400 and the larger model is said to be around $1,600. There is still no official release date yet as to when you can buy it, but we can assume it will be really soon now, seeing how Samsung is releasing these official introduction videos. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. I am really excited for this and I hope to get my hands on one for the channel. But leave your thoughts down below. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it and find it helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.